Okay, in this video we will discuss grade 5 revision writing part. So first question we have 1 over 8 divide 3. So how to solve? Change divide to multiply. 3 opposite reciprocal. 1 times 1 1. 8 times 3 24. Next 1 over 4 divide, change it to multiply. 2 opposite reciprocal. 1 times 1 1. 4 times 2 8. Now try question number 5 and 6 by yourself in your notebook. Now question number 5 is 1 over 5 times 1 over 5. This will be 1 over 25. 1 over 3 times 1 over 2. So this will be 1 over 6. Check your answers if you do it right. Next question is question number 7. Now question number 7 says Unita shares the mixed nuts equally. I've told you, right? This word is important. Equally among herself and 3 friends. So how many total? Herself and 3. 4 total. Okay. What fraction of pound of nuts does each person receive? So let's say if you have 4 apple and 4 person, how many each will get? 1. Right? So here 1 over 4 pound of nuts divide how many people? Unita and 3 friends. So 4. How do we solve it? 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. So now you know what mistake you have done, because you have taken only 3, but no, here you herself and 3 friends. So total is 4. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. That's your answer. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is okay, next question is question number 8. Now this question says, okay, before I answer, you guys try it by yourselves. 8, 9 and 10. Question number 8. Raymond has 1 over 3 gallon of water. 1 over 3 gallon of water. He shares, yani divide, means divide, water equally among 3 hamsters. Among 3 hamsters. This time he is not including himself. How do we solve it? 1 over 3 times opposite reciprocal. 1 over 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. So each person, each hamster will get 1 over 9 gallon of water. Each hamster will get 1 over 9 gallon of water. Now question number 9. A baker divides 1 over 2 half pound of wheat flour equally. When I say equally, you will use divide. 1 over 2 pound of wheat flour equally for 3 loaves of bread. So divide with 3. What fraction of a pound is in each loaf? 1 over 2 times 1 over 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Now question number 10. You guys try by yourself. Now question number 10 says stamp connections. Antonio is trying to determine the speed of his robot before his next competition. He measures that the robot moves 1 over 2 foot, half foot. This number is important. In 5 seconds. How far does his robot move each second? So when you see this word each equally, you will divide. Each equally shares. Okay? When you see these words, what you will do? You will divide 5 seconds here. So how you will solve this again? 1 over 2 times 1 over 5 equal 1 over 10. So if you get 1 over 10 as your answer, you get plus 5 marks. If not, then check steps, how many steps you did right. Now question number 10 says a garden has an area of 1 over 10 acre. This number is important, write it down. 1 over 10 acre. What fraction of an acre is each? So as I said, if you see this word, you will do divide in 4 sections. So again, we know now how to do it. 1 over 10 times, change it to opposite reciprocal. 1 times 1 is 1, 10 times 4 is 40. That's how you will solve this question. Now let's quickly move on to the next part and I will just write down the solutions. You guys try by yourself, okay? And see if you are getting the right answer. Question number 10 says error analysis. Peter buys 1 over 4 pound of ham. Write this number. Peter says that if he makes 2 ham sandwiches, each will have 1 over 2 pound of ham. Is Peter correct? Okay, so 1 over pound. Peter says that if he makes 2 ham sandwiches, each will have, okay, so divide 2. When you do this, 1 over 4 times 1 over 2, 1 over 8 will be your answer. So now in this question, wait a second, I think I have scrolled it down. 1 second. Yes. So here it says the Peter has 1 over 4 pound of ham. He makes 2 ham sandwiches. So each ham sandwiches will have 1 over 8 1 over 8 pound. But here it says each will have 1 over 2 pound of ham. So is Peter correct? No, because each will have 1 over 8 pound. Next question. This one is simple. Theo cuts this board into 4 equal sections. 4 equal, right? So total is how much? 1 over 4 feet. Divide 4. Now 1 over 4 times 1 over 4, you will get 1 over 16. Next question, question number 12. So let me just scroll it down. Okay, here is question number 12. Shasha spends 1 over 2 of each school day in math class. Now in this question, Sasha spends 1 over 2 of each school day in math class, science and history. So 1 over 2, half of each school day, math, science and history. So how many classes? 3 classes. And as I've said, when you see this word each, you will use divide. How many classes? Math class, science class and history class. If the time spent in each class is same, what fraction of a school day does Shasha spends in math class? So we solve this times 1 over 3, 1 over 6. So Shasha spent 1 over 6 of his time in math class. If he asks for history class, then also 1 over 6. If he asks for science class, then also 1 over 6, because equally in each class. Now let's move on to the next question. Question numbers, okay, this is a bit different. Okay, so let's do one thing. I'll leave this slide to you guys. Try it by yourself and I'll continue in the next video. Okay, so that's it for this one.